can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be trying out a DIY dreamcatcher set that I got from Amazon. If you guys are starting out to make like DIY dreamcatcher and if you are trying to learn, then these are really helpful. So I thought I will just share this with you guys. This is not sponsored. I just thought it'll be helpful for you guys if I share it. To start off with, this is all the things that the package contains. It has beads, 2 kinds of yarns, a ring, and it also comes with a sheet that explains everything. And the ring did have some rust on it, but it's completely fine because you will be covering it up completely thicker yarn. So to start off, I'm going to take the thicker thread or the yarn and I will first roll it onto this small makeup brush so that it will be easier for me to use. And once I've rolled, I'm going to start off by applying some hot glue. And then I'll stick one end of the thicker yarn there. And then I will just start rolling the yarn around the ring and make sure that the ring is not at all visible from in between the yarn. And cover the entire ring. And once you come to the end, just apply a little more hot glue and then stick it out completely. Then of course cut off the excess. And there we have the ring that is completely covered in the yarn and looks really pretty. And now I'm obviously taking another pencil, it's an eyebrow pencil I guess, and I'm gonna roll the thread. And I'm taking around 6-7 beads to use it in the web that we are creating within the ring. So I'm going to insert all the beads at the beginning itself and then I'm going to tie a knot to start off. I'll tie 2 knots just to make sure that it's secure. You can apply a little bit of hot glue if you want. And once that is done, I'm going to leave 1 bead there and I'm going to take the thread out of the ring and in the ring, and I'm going to make a loop and pull the rest of the ring with the beads through the loop. I hope that explains. I don't know if you guys don't understand it. I just make a loop with 1 bead in and then I'm going to pull the thread, the rest of the thread with the beads through the loop. I'll leave 1 bead, I'll take all of that out of the ring and through that loop. So as you guys can see, I've made 3 and all the 3 are like equal distances. So I'm gonna just continue doing that, and if you want to know how I created the whole web, you might. I've already made a video on how to DIY Dreamcatcher from scratch and I will just link the video up here. You guys can check that out. The whole web is created, and once it's come to the end, at the middle there is a little bit of space. I'm going to put a bead in there and tie it at the opposite end, just like that. Apply a little bit of hot glue there just to be extra sure. and then cut off the excess. And after this step, guys, it's just how you want to decorate the Dreamcatcher. No one can really give you a certain directions on how you can do it. It's just your wish, how you want to. Here I'll be segregating the feathers as two small dark blue and light blue feather. And I was just inserting some threads and some beads into the threads, and then I was just sticking those feathers with hot glue. And I just continue doing that, and make sure however you want the embellishments to look like, you stick them in right places. And then once you're done, you can even do it by hanging it somewhere. And that's the final product, guys. I really loved how it, and the color was just so beautiful. Blue colors were just complementing each other so well. I really loved how it looked, and yeah, I was really happy on how it turned out. And if you guys want to check it out, I will leave the link down below. I'm not sponsored, I just want to let you guys know that. If you found this helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Love you all. Bye.
Can I take you there?